Now I'll quickly show you how to remove or replace the top part on the DGN machine. So first of all, disconnect the heat plate, remove control box, put it to the side. So there's going to be a screw located right here on the handle. Not sure if you can see that. So, right there. Yeah, so we need to remove this screw first. Like so. After that we need to remove those 4 bolts that are holding the rodent handle and the heat plate. So once you remove those, you can actually keep hold of your plate and handle together and just put it to the side. Okay, so now this top part will just lift up, just like so. So make sure you locate the washers and grab your replacement. Put the washers in, like so, and then put them back in. If the washer fell off, just put it back in, but make sure that there is a empty washer on the outside and one of those spinny ones on the inside. It's kind of like Korean sandwich. Okay, so now we'll grab our handle and the plate. So you actually adjust the handle to make it the level that you need before you screw in the screws. Just quickly show you that. So you can see you just need to make sure that this one is level to this one. And just finger tighten the bolts first. Once all the 4 bolts are in and finger tightened, you can grab yourself an Allen key and secure it. And after this is finished, all I need to do is put back the pressure adjustment knob. So make sure that you align it with this little hole there. It'll be something like this. And there you go. After that, obviously you can put your control box and connect the heat plate.